Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How I have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine, spending a good and lavish life. Let's come dear friend, most welcome my channel. I introduce beautiful crochets toilet cover, and these are very beautiful, dimensionally different to each other. Let's come and introduce new and great embellished ideas which are completely different to each other. Kindly you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. Let's come. This video I shared with you crochet covers, and these are very beautiful and are different to each other. Hopefully you will be enjoying my overall crochet pattern styles. These are very beautiful and unique designs ideas which I shared with you in this video. And like my ideas which I shared these pics, and because it's are completely different to each other, hopefully you will be enjoy different negative ideas. It's our most beautiful and fundamental ideas which I shared, and these ideas are completely different to each other. Kindly friends not forgotten to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope friends you will begin different type of thinking ideas because it's are very beautiful to each other. And friend kindly subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. So friend hopefully you will be like upload this video your friends, social friends, your social personality. Thank you so much to watching this video.